Welcome to Pure Home Gardening. There's nothing more rewarding than growing your own fresh greens at home. In today's busy world, having a small connection with nature can bring peace, health, and happiness into your life. Whether you have a small balcony, a rooftop, or even a tiny corner in your home, gardening is something anyone can start. You don't need a large space or expensive tools, just a little passion and patience. Let's begin with the basics. Good gardening always starts with healthy soil. Rich, well-prepared soil provides the nutrients your plants need to grow strong and vibrant. Take your time to prepare it well because strong roots create healthy plants. Next, choose seeds that are suitable for your space and climate. Start with easy-to-grow plants like herbs, leafy greens, or small vegetables. Gently plant your seeds into the soil, giving them enough space to grow and breathe. Watering is one of the most important parts of gardening. Your plants need regular water, but it's important not to overwater them. Too much water can harm the roots. Keep the soil moist, not soaked, and always pay attention to what your plants need. Sunlight is just as important as water. Place your plants where they can receive natural light for a few hours every day. Fresh air and sunlight help them grow stronger and healthier. As days pass, you'll begin to notice small changes. Tiny leaves will appear, and your plants will slowly grow bigger. This is the most beautiful part of gardening, watching life grow with your care. Remember, gardening teaches patience. Not everything grows overnight, but with daily care and attention, your efforts will always be rewarded. Soon your plants will be ready to harvest. Fresh vegetables, herbs, and greens grown by your own hands, healthy, organic, and full of life. The taste and satisfaction are truly unmatched. Home gardening is not just about growing plants, it's about creating a peaceful space, reducing stress, and living a healthier lifestyle. It connects you with nature in the simplest and most meaningful way. So why wait? Start your home gardening journey today and bring nature closer to your home. Pure Home Gardening. Grow fresh, live green. There's nothing more rewarding than growing your own fresh greens at home. In today's busy world, having a small connection with nature can bring peace, and happiness into your life. Whether you have a small balcony, a rooftop, or even a tiny corner in your home, gardening is something anyone can start. You don't need a large space or expensive tools, just a little passion and patience. Let's begin with the basics. Good gardening always starts with healthy soil. Rich, well-prepared soil provides the nutrients your plants need to grow strong and vibrant. Take your time to prepare it well because strong roots create healthy plants. Next, choose seeds that are suitable for your space and climate. Start with easy-to-grow plants like herbs, leafy greens, or small vegetables. Gently plant your seeds into the soil, giving them enough space to grow and breathe. Welcome to Pure Home Gardening, where we show you how to create a beautiful home garden right from your balcony. 2. Today we will grow stunning red roses and a healthy small tree at home. 3. This is your peaceful journey into natural gardening and fresh greenery. 4. Let's start building a beautiful green space step by step. 5. Pure Home Gardening, grow your dream garden at home. Scene 6 to 10, soil preparation. 6. First, prepare rich and healthy soil for your plants. 7. Use clean pots with proper drainage for better growth. 8. Add small stones at the bottom to improve water flow. 9. Fill the pot with nutrient-rich soil and compost. 10. Level the soil gently to create a perfect planting surface. Scene 11 to 15, rose planting. 11. Now take a healthy rose cutting with fresh green leaves. 12. Place it carefully into the soil. 13. Cover the roots gently with soil. 14. Press the soil softly to secure the plant. 15. Water the rose plant slowly and evenly. Scene 16 to 20, tree planting. 16. Grow fresh, live green.